friends, I am Dr. Gaurash Palekar. I am an orthopedic surgeon and a joint replacement surgeon from Mumbai. And I am today going to discuss with you what are the various types of hip replacements options available to patients. Now, the type of hip replacements, there is a large variety of hip replacement which are available, and you have to understand, people always ask me, hey, what is the best type of hip replacement? As with anything in our life, there is nothing like the best. However, there is definitely something like the most appropriate. So what I believe is that I will help my patients reach a conclusion where they can choose the type of hip replacement depending on what suits them. Now, what are the various considerations for choosing a particular type of hip replacement, and what are the various types of hip replacements? One first consideration in a country like India is the cost, obviously. So, one cheaper, so we have cemented, uncemented, and the cost of that implant is one. Second is that what is the activity of the patient. So if the patient is having a very highly active lifespan, or if the patient is desirous of sitting on the ground like Indian position, using an Indian toilet, sitting cross-legged, doing yoga, then a particular hip replacement is suggested. In the third type of hip replacement, the third choice of hip replacement is basically what is if the patient is involved in a very high impact activity. So if the patient likes to run, jog, and play tennis, these are very high impact sports, then a particular type of hip replacement is suggested. And finally, I would say, what is the patient's life expectancy? So for example, if we have a very young patient like 20, 25 or under 30, then we ideally require a hip replacement which will last for a very, very long time, as much as possible in these patients. Okay, on the other hand, if we have a patient who is 80 years old, we can easily choose a hip replacement which will last for 10 years or so, or that the activity of these young individuals is also very high. That's the reason why we require a very high impact hip replacement. Now, having said that, these, as you can say, these are the various types of hip replacement available with us. So first, I'm going to talk about this stem. This is what is known as a stem, or this is what goes into the femur or the thigh bone, and this is what goes into the hip or the acetabulum or the other side of the hip, and this is what actually constitutes the total hip replacement. So we usually typically change both these components in a total hip replacement. Now, as you can see, this is a smooth and tapered smooth stem, and this is what is called as a cemented stem. Cemented stem is fixed into the bone with the help of a cement. There is a special type of bone cement which is available, and it is